I've had the opportunity to visit Isha Foundation when I was invited by Sadhguru for his commitment towards Save Soil. And I was given a choice that I could come here, meet him, interview him, cook with him, and also attend Mahashivratri celebration. These are memories for life, and not just cook together. He cooked akki roti for me. That's something that will be a blessing for life. The moment that he started Save Soil, I think people like me, we understand what is the importance of soil. I'm glad I became part of it. I'm glad that I can do something about it, and it's something which I can see that many people across the world are going to join this movement, and it's not something that you only talk, you do. And for achieving something, first thing that has to happen is that you have to start conversation with yourself, internalize it, then with your friends and family and your area of influence, and that's when it becomes a big movement. So the movement is already become so big, it's gathering momentum, and I'll do my bit, I'll do my part to make sure that it becomes bigger. And it's not for Isha Foundation, it is not for Sadhguru, it's not for you, it's not for me. I think it is for our next generation. We owe it to them, and our next generation will happen in our lifetime. So let's make it bright for them. Save our soil. Save soil. Let us make it happen.